Good morning, student. Today I am going to solve some more question of relation. The question is, show that the relation R in the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by R is equal to AB such that A minus B is even is an equivalence relation. Show that all the elements of 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. Okay, student, for an equivalence relation, we have to prove that R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So, start solution for reflexive. First, for all A belongs to A minus A is even, hence AA belongs to R. So, R is reflexive. In place of A, student, you can take any elements from set A, okay? And each and every element of set A is related to itself. 1 minus 1, 0 is an even number. 2 minus 2 is also 0, is an even number. So, 1 relate to 1, 2 relate to 2, 3 relate to 3, 4 relate to 4, 5 relate to 5. Okay, student? So, R is reflexive relation in set A. Now, move for symmetric. For all AB belongs to A minus B is even, okay? AB belongs to R. Now, student, for this we can write V minus A, its modulus. So, B minus A is also even. Therefore, B minus A, BA belongs to R. AB belongs to R, BA also belongs to R, hence R is symmetric relation. Now, for all ABC belongs to A, AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R. It means A minus B is even and B minus C is also even, student. Then for A minus C, if we add this both, okay, A minus B plus B minus C, you will get even plus even. It means it's also even. So, A minus C is even. Here, student, AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R and AC also belongs to R. So, R is transitive relation in set A. Now, student, it is also given in the question that show that all the element of 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. For this, student, everyone knows that modulus of difference of two odd number is always even. Okay. So, 1 minus 3, 2 even number. Okay. 3 minus 5, 2, it's also even. 1 relate to 3, 3 relate to 5. 5 minus 1, 4, it's also even. Hence, we can say that all three elements are related to each other. Okay, student? And one more part is also given in this question. Let me take my textbook. Yes, the next part is all the elements of 2, 4 are related to each other, but no elements of 1, 3, 5 is related to any element of 2, 4. Okay, student? So, first 2, 4. 2 difference of 2 and 4, even student. Okay, and 4 minus 2, it's also even. So 2 and 4 relate to each other, but 1, 3, 5 and 2, 4, difference of odd number and even number is not an even number, it is odd. Therefore 1, 3, 5 is not related to 2, 4. Okay student. Now student, move for the next question. The question is, show that each of relation R in the set A is equal to x belongs to Z and x is greater than equal to 0, less than equal to 12. Given by first part of this question is student AB such that mod of A minus B is a multiple of 4. Second part, R is equal to AB such that A is equal to B. We have to show that is an equivalence relation and find the set of all elements related to 1 in each case. Okay. It is also as the previous question student. This topic relation is very important student. Okay, same type of questions are given in exercise 1.1, but you try all the questions student. Okay, it's important concept in board exam, GUSSET and JEE, in all competitive exams also. So let's start the solution of this question. For the reflexive, let A belongs to A, then A minus A 0 and is a multiple of 4. Hence student, AA belongs to R. It means you can say that R is reflexive. Same relation in set R. Okay. From set A student, if you are not understanding by this method, you can take it in a listing form. Okay, if you write A in a listing form student, the set is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 12. Okay, and for the reflexive, if you are taking 0, 0 is also 0, multiple of 4, 1 minus 1, 0 student, 2 minus 2, also 0. Okay, so each and every element belongs to R. 1, 1 belongs to R, 2, 2 belongs to R, and hence 12, 12 also belongs to R. Okay student, but we have to write the more elements in this method. Okay, you can take algebraic element. For the symmetry, let I am taking 2 elements from set A and A, B belongs to R. It means A minus B is a multiple of 4. Okay, and now minus B minus A mod, it means B minus A is also a multiple of 4. It means that if AB belongs to R, then implies BA also belongs to R. Hence, R is symmetric relation in set A. Okay, student? Now, for transitive, we can take 3 elements student. I am taking in algebraic form student. ABC belongs to A, AB belongs to R and BC also belongs to R. It means student A minus B is multiple of 4 and by this B minus C is multiple of 4. Okay. Now for A minus C student, same as the previous question, A minus B plus B minus C. Okay, student? It's also a multiple of 4. A minus C is multiple of 4. Okay. So AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, and AC also belongs to R. R is transitive relation in set A. Okay. R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Therefore, R is an equivalence relation. Now, student, the next part of this question is, if R is defined like this, AB and A is equal to B only. Okay, student? It means for this part, A relate A, B relate B, student. Okay, means 1 1. If you are write in a listing form relation R, we have to start from 0 0, student. Okay, 0 0, 1 1, 2 2, 3 3. Okay, student, and up to 12 12. Okay, so 0 0, 1 1, 2 2, all elements belongs to R. It means R is reflexive relation, student. For the symmetric, this type of relation, student, 1 relate 1. It means again reverse, 1 is also relate 1. This is a symmetric also, and it is transitive also, student. Now move ahead. Find the set of all elements related to 1 in each case. Each case means first part, in first part and second part. From the first part, student, here if we relate 1, so it will be related to 1. Okay, 1 minus 1. From I am discussing for the first part only. Okay, 1 minus 1 is a multiple of 4. 1 minus 5 is a multiple of 4. 1 minus 9 is a multiple of 4. It means 1 1 1 5 1 9. 1 relate 1, 1 relate to 5, 1 relate to 9. Okay, student? So the set 1, 5 and 9. These are the relate to 1 in case first. Okay, and for the second part, second case, here it is given A is equal to B only. It means 1 will relate to 1 only, 1 1 belongs to R. So set is only a 1. Okay, student, this type of questions are given in the exercise 1.1 only. Okay, now discuss one more question, student. Okay, the next question is, show that the relation R in the set of points in a plane given by R is equal to PQ. Distance of point P from the origin is same as the distance of point Q from the origin is an equivalence relation. Further, show that the set of all points related to a point P is not equal to 0 0 is a circle passing through P with the origin as a center. Okay, student, in the question it is given that most important thing, that distance of point P from the origin is the same as distance of point Q from the origin. We have to show that R is an equivalent relation, student. So first, for reflexive. Okay, here student, PP belongs to R. For all, P is a point in the plane. Okay, since distance from the origin is same. Okay, student, so PP belongs to R. For symmetric, let PQ belongs to R. It means P and Q are at same distance from origin. It's clear, students, that Q and P are also at the same distance from origin. That implies QP belongs to R. So R is symmetric relation, student. And for the transitive, student, let 3 points are there in the plane P, Q and S. P, Q and S. There are 3 points in the plane and PQ belongs to R and QS belongs to R. It means distance. See, distance of P and Q are same from origin. Okay, and for QS also distance of Q and S same from the origin. Student, there are 3 points, okay, but all 3 points has the same distance from the origin. It means if P relate Q, Q relate S, then P will relate to S. Okay, hence R is an transitive, R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Therefore, R is an equivalence relation. Okay, student? And next part is show that the set of all points related to a point P is circle passing through P with origin as center. Okay. Suppose this is the center, student. Okay. Origin. And here P point from the origin. Q is also here, student. Same distance. S is here. Some more point also. And if we meet this all point, it is a circle. Okay. So circle, the all point, these are at the same distance from the origin. Makes a circle. Okay. So this exercise ends here, student. You try all the questions. Thank you.